share my process. So that's the first font I did. It was out of lettering. I did on Procreate for those who know the software. And here I started my first font the most easy way. Layers and colors. That was perfect. So that was a bit tricky, but again, I don't like when it's too easy. I like to do experimental stuff. So here you have, for example, the F here. You have free colors, which means free layers, which means free font files, okay? So when you are into Photoshop or Illustrator, you have to overlap the different shapes, okay, with different colors. And if you want an overlap outlook, you have to use the multiply blend mode. And at first it was fantastic, and after a few months I was, oh shit, that's so difficult. And also I had to learn Glyph, which is a great software, but layers, colors, and do I let people choose their own colors, or do I choose myself the colors people can play with? I decided to go black and people can choose their colors, but afterwards I saw projects from people using my phone, and I was like, I'm not sure anymore. Because I designed the font with my own colors palette, so yeah, but everybody can do whatever they want.